Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of sharing your community QR code on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Click on your community, the 3 people icon located beside chats. Step 3. Click on the 3 dots at the top right of the page. Step 4. Tap on Community Info from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Tap on Invite to proceed. Step 6. Select QR code from the available options. Step 7. Now you can share it. Others can join your community by scanning the QR code with their WhatsApp camera. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your community QR code with others on WhatsApp. Whether you want to invite new members or share the code in other groups, this guide will help you navigate the process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.